Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with unmatched noise cancellation. Seriously, these aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise canceling, creating a personal oasis wherever you go. Perfect for travel or focused work. But what's amazing noise cancellation without the power to last? You get an incredible 30 hours of battery life on a single charge. That means endless playlists, podcasts, or calls without scrambling for a charger during your busiest days. And for true versatility, the WH-1000XM5s boast multi-point connection. Effortlessly switch between your laptop for a video call and your phone for music without ever reconnecting. It's seamless and smart. What sets these apart isn't just the specs, it's the intelligent audio experience they deliver, adapting to your environment for optimal sound and silence. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience and finally block out the world, check the link in the description for the best deal on these fantastic headphones. Investing in the Sony WH-1000XM5 means investing in peace, productivity, and unparalleled sound quality for years to come. For anyone serious about premium noise-canceling headphones in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is an absolute must-buy.